In a shocking case of reckless driving, a 23-year-old man lost his life in Delhi's Dwarka after a speeding Scorpio SUV, allegedly driven by an unlicensed teenager, crashed into his motorcycle. The impact saw Sahil being killed instantly. The victim's mother has called it murder, not an accident, but the accused's father has called it a naive mistake. Take a look at this report.
तीन फरवरी को मेरे मासूम बच्चे को अपनी गाड़ी से ऑन द स्पॉट उड़ा दिया।
A speeding Scorpio in the national capital with a brat behind the wheels. Driving recklessly. A fatal accident, an innocent young Sahil crushed to death. A billion dreams of his family shattered.
That was shocking. I'm not able to forget the way he was. He was on the road. Oh my God, in such bad shape. That is terrifying.
A grieving single mother is fighting for justice for her only son.
I'm a helpless mother alone.
The irony is that the accused is out on bail, as the minor who was driving the SUV without a license has been granted bail by the Juvenile Justice Board to appear for his Class 10 exam.
This is the exact spot where the bike came and eventually stopped. What eyewitnesses are telling us at this point in time, that the Scorpio N, which was being driven by a juvenile, was driving at a very, very high speed, and the bike was coming from the other side. It is at this point that they met with an accident, and the bike was eventually dragged for more than 50 meters by the vehicle before coming to an eventual stop, and also going ahead and meeting with an accident with a third private vehicle.
Immediately जो offending vehicle था उसमें दो लोग थे, एक सिस्टर थी और एक उसका भाई था. उनसे इनिशियल पूछताछ में इन्वेस्टिगेशन में उन्होंने अपनी एज 19 ईयर बताई थी, जो कि जैसे ही डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेरीफाई किए गए तो उसकी एज 17 साल कुछ महीने थी. जो जुवेनाइल है उसको 10 तारीख तक तो ऑब्जर्वेशन होम में रखा. आफ्टर दैट एग्जामिनेशन के चलते उसको अंतरिम रिलीफ मिला हुआ है.
The victim's mother has claimed that the Scorpio was speeding and making reels while performing stunts on the road. She calls it murder, not an accident, alleging that there were attempts to distort the facts and prove that the driver was a minor.
This is system also. एक ही गाड़ी बार-बार एक ही क्राइम कर रही है, उसको कोई स्टॉप नहीं कर रहा है. क्यों? दूसरों के बच्चों के मरने का वेट कर रहे हैं. बाद में 2000 रुपए लेके बेल दे देगी उनको. 1000 रुपए, 2000 रुपए, 4000 रुपए, ये वैल्यू है हमारे बच्चों की. मेरे बच्चा कभी घर नहीं आएगा. मैं क्या करूं? 23 साल मैंने अकेले पाला उसको. वो कभी घर नहीं आएगा.
The autopsy reveals that Sahil suffered severe craniocerebral trauma, skull fractures, multiple rib injuries, elbow fractures, internal bleeding, and hemorrhagic shock. Eyewitnesses have narrated the horror that unfolded on the 3rd of February.
वो आवाज सुनाई दी थी. आप आसपास ही काम करते थे?
आसपास में यहाँ पे काम करती हूँ मैं, और यहाँ पे पब्लिक वगैरह इकट्ठी हो गई थी. पे कंप्लेंट वगैरह की, कॉल वगैरह की, फिर आए सब लेके गए उन लोगों को. वो तो यहीं पे डेड हो गए थे. चार्जर वगैरह सब कुछ बाइक के ना पूरे पार्ट्स डेड हो गए थे. कुछ भी पार्ट नहीं बचा था.
The accused's father has defended his son and calls it a moment of naivete. His family claims that the accident took place when the bike was trying to overtake a bus and entered the lane from the wrong side.
एक्सीडेंट ये बोल रहे थे, देखिए बच्चा का गलती नहीं है, उधर से स्कूल बस आ रही थी, इधर से जा रहा था. अब वो तो घटना जो होना था हो गया. कोई गाली दे रहा था, कोई कुछ दे रहा था. मैं अपने मुंह से बोल रहा हूँ, वो समझेंगे पेरेंट्स अपनी पे कर रहे हैं. और इस घटना का दुख मुझे भी है, बहुत दुख है.
As one mother grieves the loss of her only son, will the parents who allowed an underage, unlicensed brat to drive on the roads be held accountable, or will an sane justice be given once again? With Anshul Singh and Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.